Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a routine moisturization, how to rejuvenate, remoisturize, and rehydrate your type 4 hair with our 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. Let's get into the video. So it's so important that in between styles, in between wash days, even when you are doing protective styling, that you are still moisturizing your hair. Your scalp and your hair, they thirst for moisture. That's how we retain our length. That's how we have healthy curls. We strengthen our hair. We increase the shine. We grow our hair. Moisturization is key. So right now what I'm showing you is I'm just sectioning her hair off, but I want you to watch how I am detangling from the ends to the roots when I'm making these parts in her hair. I also want to point out that if you're not doing it for a hairstyle, for you to wear the next day, you can actually do this with your fingers. Anything that we can do to reduce or cut down on unnecessary breakage or shedding, it's finger manipulation, just utilizing your fingers to make those parts and different things. But again, for the purposes of this video and showing you, I am making the parts. So I'm taking that section and I'm sectioning it down into a smaller section. Sections are your friend, okay? Especially when we're working with our beautiful, voluminous, our hair has volume. We need to break it down so that we can work these products into our hair. So as you can see, I've misted her hair. You don't want the hair to be dripping wet. You just want it to be damp, when you're just moisturizing the hair. So you mist it a little bit. You work that in with your fingers. You can even begin finger detangling at this point. And then I bring up our conditioner. Notice the amount that I'm using. It is extremely concentrated, so a small amount goes a long way. You want to work that into your palms and then just work it into the hair. Rub it all over the hair, all over the ends, the middle, the roots. Just cover every strand with the conditioner. Watch her ends. Do you see that? You see her curls just coming to life already? I'm raking my fingers through her hair, and I haven't even gone in with a comb or anything yet. It's beautiful. So now I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm starting at the ends again. You want to work your way from the ends to the roots. So important. And even if you notice the comb, I wish I would have stopped for a second and just kind of held it up, but even throughout the process of this video, she had barely any shedding. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, after I work that in with the comb, I'm twisting her hair. A double strand twist, and I'm actually twisting the hair as I'm twisting it, so that it can stay nice and tight. I just twist her hair down. If you detangle a section and you twist it like this, it helps to stretch the hair and it helps to keep the hair detangled. Look at that, beautiful. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing I did with the first section in this section over here. Just look at the shine. You can see the difference already. Work with small sections. Again, section, section, section. Mist it with some water. Work the water into her hair with your fingers. I noticed she had some single strand knots on the end. So I just went ahead and went in and detangled, finger detangled first. And then I went in with the conditioner. My 3-in-1 conditioner. Again, small amount, it's concentrated. It's the shea butter, baby. Like, it seals those oils. Do you see that? The oils that are in our conditioner are sealed in, so you're providing the moisturization and then you're locking it in. That's what makes our product different. So, again, I'm working it into her hair. Look at the shine. The curls are just coming to life. And yes, the shrinkage is real. We love it. Look at that. Our curls are singing right now. They're singing. Make sure you start at those ends again. So important. You don't want to just tear through the hair with the comb. So if you start at her roots, then you'll just be tearing through the hair. That's why we have to start at the ends. You start there and you work your way up and you detangle. No pain, minimal breakage or minimal shedding, no breakage. You detangle and then you double strand twist again. Look at these juicy twists. Beautiful. I just want you guys to take a look at how well her twist, just that moisture is locked in. It's springy, it's bouncy, it's looking good. As I was saying earlier, the shea butter is what makes the difference. Just take a look at that. A small amount, again, I'm gonna keep saying it, a small amount goes a long way because we don't add water to our products. So it's highly concentrated. It is made for our hair. She won't have to put moisture, like reapply moisture to her hair for at least a couple of days. 2 to 3 days, just shine, good health, good moisture. So I haven't even let these twists dry, but I wanted to show you all just what her hair looks like just in that short time of twisting it and taking it down with the moisturizer on it. In comparison to her hair that we haven't rehydrated yet, it just has so much shine. Again, like I said, that shrinkage is showing you the health and the beauty, the versatility of our hair. Look at her curls. Her hair is past her shoulders. Black girl magic. So I just wanted to show you guys quickly again in this video how it is that you apply our conditioner to re-moisturize. I highly recommend that you put some type of moisture on your hair every couple of days, at least every 2 to 3 days. Our hair thrives when it is moisturized. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave comments. If you have questions, reach out to us. Follow us on our social media, and we will see you in the next video.